laws of nature are the most powerful laws in existence. Water evaporates. Clouds form. Life begins. Snowstorm atop high peaks. Falls heavy. Settles. Melts. Flows through tributaries, streams, into rivers, and finds the sea and returns to the air.
Why are you here?
I don't know. I just need to find something in myself, you know. I think the trail is good for that.
The journey. Journey is what brings us happiness.
You go?
We go.
Look.
Wow.
This has the power to fill you up again if you let it.
There's a sunrise and a sunset every day. And you can choose to be there for it. You can put yourself in the way of beauty.
All my life I wanted to do something that was unequivocal.
No longer to be poisoned by civilization, he flees. And walks alone upon the land to become lost in the water.